Grandma time.
Yeah.
Grandma time. This is for our beautiful beloved Tualima son. And we heard the song last year, and it was sung so beautifully by his beautiful niece, Melody's namesake. We can't do anything like that. We haven't sung together, but we're going to try.
And if you want to join
Join them if you know it.
Naya or anybody, okay. Muia ina mua, mua o, mua o, mua o. Samoa la atunuu pele, ele ngalo ele taimi faigata, mai pelo nganga, fausia pelo uva, Faamalosi, matutua pea asuana mua, matutua pea asuana mua. Fa'alo I tagata matatua, fa'alo I tagata matatua, fa'avai o he atua, o e lava e te fo'i tua, Talofa e Samoa e Tupulaga fo'i mai, tu iluga, ilo malosi, aua e te fefe, I leoti, ole Atua e puipui oe, Iesu ole leoleo Faamalosi, tu iluga, olo malosi, o aua e te fefe, I leoti, ole Atua e puipui oe, Iesu ole leoleo mamoi, Faamalosi, Faamalosi, Faamalosi. You.
Very good, ladies.
That was alright.
Yeah. And you didn't get a word wrong.
Oh, he was with us.
Yeah,
He was Lima's here.
Oh, it's fefe.
Yeah, Oe te fefe.
It's all, no.
For Jacob, Oe te fefe.
Robin.
Malo ole.
I mean, I was a young boy when I knew Lima. It was before we moved away to Darwin. He was always just the uncle who had endless supply of videos, you know.
Kung Fu.
Showing me inappropriate R-rated action movies. Essential to my development, I think. So I mean, for a long time, you know, it's strange coming back and seeing him in his later years. But I mean, just thinking about it now, I think in some way we're pretty much all here because of him and Della. Like we're all indirectly here because of them. Because in his own way he's supported all of us, including Mum, which leads to me and Marcina, Piers, Rosie, and on So I think just remembering that's if we can try to reciprocate, as little Andrew said too, you know, try and maintain that, and it's the most important part of the culture, really. That's all I want to say.
Oliver, Lina and Tippy, because you spoke for all of them. Because you're the makua. You're the usimakua. Yeah.
Usimakua.
Yeah.
Usimakua.
You're the oldest, so you spoke for all of them.
Yeah. JJ.
That's all he needs to do.
All right. Seating's up here.
Andrew? Yeah.
No fanfare or anything. This is just the result of overtime and mum's endless haranguing of us.
Oh, don't say it like that. You're wonderful children. Wow.
Oh, you guys are doing him proud.
Wow. Oh, look at the photo of them. Oh, it's beautiful.
I said to Mum, I can't read the Samoan, I don't understand what it says, so possibly if someone else would like to interpret, that would be fantastic so that everyone can understand. And at the bottom, here where it says a better man I ain't met yet, that was from Dean's song that he sang at Dad's funeral.
Oh, we're going to have to hear that more, Zach.
Yeah. Not again, we won't be, you know.
Moto, mama, means bless the ones with the clean mind. It's beautiful. Aua, aua, atou te iloa, atu le atua, so that they know God. Yeah. Okay? Blessed are those who have a clean mind and that know God. A better man I ain't met yet, forever in our hearts. You're right, mate.
I want to clap, but I can't for my beautiful nephews and nieces and what they've done.
Oh, well. Singing.
So beautiful. What a beautiful.
Well done.
Excellent work.
Yeah. Very good, very good.
Gala,
JJ Adventures.
Gala.
Embrace that speech, please.
Oh, this is where you're going. Over here.
What's wrong with that?